Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AEMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on this one. As far as the technical chart is concerned, though, really the best way to summarize this using trading lingo is pump and dump or a gap and trap. Gap and trap would probably be the more accurate term if you're not familiar with what a gap and trap is. Essentially, all that means is that on Monday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, Tuesday, the price opened way up there. So hence the gap up. Price opened from there, and then you can see immediately from that point, it was just bears the rest of the day, and that's where kind of the trap part comes into play. But yeah, sad to think that people are up there buying 55 cents and above, and that's just a pretty rough situation. Now, as far as the general big picture chart is concerned, there's still a little bit of possibility. What do I mean by possibility? Well, first off, this does depend on, perspective. I mean, if you're one of those people that did buy up at, 60 or 58 or 59, then yeah, you definitely don't care about these levels that I'm about to talk about. So these are definitely levels geared more towards, so like I said, somebody that cares about the bigger picture. But that is where 42 cents comes into play, because technically speaking, the price could actually pull back a little bit further, come down to 42 cents, do something like that, and then begin to work its way back upwards. And from the grand scheme of things, you would still technically have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there, and if you envision these as stair steps, well then from the big picture point of view, the stair steps are still going in the upwards direction. Again, I'm well aware if you're some sort of day trader, scalper, and you bought up there and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, you don't care about these stair steps. So these comments, like I said, definitely geared more towards someone with the grand scheme of things. So if you do care about the overall perspective though, yeah, sure, today was a very nasty pullback, but the price does still, to be fair, have an opportunity to build an overall higher base. So let's see if the price can stay up above 42 cents and chip away with that higher low or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.